I see a lot of sales reps still going back and forth between HubSpot, where they have their CRM system, and, for example, Gmail, where they're managing their email. And for some reason, they don't know that you can easily send emails right from within HubSpot. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that and also the advantages that come with it. Quick prerequisite before we get started with this video, and that is that you do need your email account linked to HubSpot. This works for both Google Workspace as well as Office 365. If you want to know how to do this, click the video in the corner here, do that, and then come back to this video afterwards, and you can follow along with how you can use the email feature within HubSpot. My name is Jasper. I'm a certified HubSpot consultant. Let's dive right in. So let me share my screen here, and I'm going to show you the different ways how you can use email within HubSpot. So the first one, if there's no activity yet, so here you can see the activity pipeline is still clean. If I click on emails, don't see any emails here. We do have the option here to create email, or we can also use the email button here. Both of them will do the same thing. So when we click that, we see that an email window pops up here. So we can say test email, and this is an email I'm just sending to myself so I can actually demonstrate how this works. So the first option we have is we just type our email here, and then you can do something else. Or when we're using this here, we can also go to templates and we can just choose a specific template here. So for example, event follow-up, and then we already get a template for what we want to send to this person. So we could be like, it was great seeing you at Inbound this week. As we discussed, we're able to provide companies like yours a lot of different solutions, including, and then we have the different solutions. We have some time this week to connect. I'm really looking forward to continue our conversation. And then something other cool that we can do here is, now, one annoying thing here is that we do need to copy paste this, because when we insert a meeting link, which is something you can do here, we'll do insert scheduling link, meeting with Jasper. Then you will see, oh, they actually fixed that. Nice. So you'll see that it actually uses that text and then puts the link right there. So now when somebody clicks this, they will get this meeting booking link and they can book something right away, making it really easy. Another thing that you can do when you're sending these emails from HubSpot is we see a follow-up task here. And by default, it's going to be a to-do task, but I'm also going to show you something else in a moment. So we'll make this an email follow-up, and we'll also schedule it for today. So first of all, you can set a default time that you want these follow-ups to happen. I think this is set up for 3 days right now. You can also make that a week if that's more the cadence that you are using. But for this demo, I'm going to put this on today, and I'll show you in a second why we're doing that. Some other things that you can do when you're using the email feature within HubSpot is you can also link documents here. So for example, when we have a brochure that we can attach, you can just select the brochure and then put that link behind some text in the email as well. And if we want, we can also enroll someone in a sequence right from this email here. So if you want to have multiple follow-up emails, that's perfect for this. We also have quotes. So if you have a quote created in the system, you can attach it right there. And then last but not least, you can also attach invoices and payment links, making it really easy to send a payment link to a client and get started working with them. So let's send this email as a test. We will see when we send this email, immediately we will see the email pop up here in the system. As you can see, I did forget the placeholder in the subject line here. So always pay attention to that you replace all of them with the real content that you want to add there. And then when we have some emails here in the activity timeline, which you can both see here in activity as well as under emails, you will see that it automatically gets linked to the contact as well as the company that contact is at. And from here, you can also reply to that email and basically start that email thread right from within HubSpot as well. So the reason why I scheduled this task for today is because I quickly want to demonstrate something else. And that is that when we click that task, you will see that the email window will pop up immediately. Now you will see a notification here that the email has bounced. This is just because the email account that I have linked with the demo space here is not active anymore. So just ignore that notification for now. But when you have an email task, you will see that the email window immediately pops up. And from here, we can do everything that we want to do. And when you're using the email feature within HubSpot like this, you also will not forget to log any emails within HubSpot, making sure that your timeline is always complete. And we have all of the data within HubSpot to make sure that you're on top of your deals. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot excellence. And if you like this video, I'm sure you also like this video right here on how to use sales sequences in HubSpot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.